How to add music to Instagram story after posting. If you're wondering how to add music to Instagram story after posting, well, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your Instagram and then click on your profile icon right here at the bottom right corner. So click on the post that you want to add your music to in your Instagram story. So I'm just going to click on this post, and then you'll see this little share icon below the post, and then click on add post to your story. So you can adjust this however you like. And then at the top bar you'll see this little sticker icon, so click on that. And if you don't see music, you can always press the search bar and type music. So you can search for the music you want at the search bar right there. I'm just going to select this one. So you can choose which part of the clip that you want to put in your story, and the length. You can click right here and choose what length of the music that you want and what part you want by just scrolling it. So I'm just going to leave this, and once you're done, click done at the top right corner. So you can click on this and you can select how you want it as well. So if you want the lyrics to go like that, if you want this, or if you want it just the bar itself. So I'm just going to keep it like this, and then press done once you have it, and you can adjust this as well. And then once you're done setting everything up, you can add it to your story. So I'm not going to do that, but that is how to add music to Instagram story after posting.